What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video I'm gonna learn how to change this default theme codes or plugin codes editor into your WordPress website dashboard. This editor is quite boring, does not work very well, isn't customizable, and how to change this, and in addition how to create a shield theme, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics, not just internet and sites favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do is understand the why. When we are working on PHP into creating custom themes, adding custom functions to our WordPress themes or shield themes, we have to face this boring editor, this boring code editor that WordPress have by default. How to change this and how to create a child theme that properly work. Go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar menus, hover a mouse over plugins and click on add new plugin. Into the upper right corner of a screen, next to keyword, you're gonna find a field called search plugins. Click on it and type theme editor, okay? And this is the guy that you are looking for, theme editor. Click on install now. Click into the activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. But if you review the left sidebar menus once again, next to settings, you're gonna be able to find a new item called theme editor, and right here we have a couple of submenus: theme code editor, plugin code editor, settings, access control, notify me, child theme permissions. Go to settings first, okay? To the settings submenu. Theme editor. Enable code editor for theme. Yes or no? Yes. Disable WordPress theme file editor. Yes, please. Plugin editor. Enable code editor for plugin. Yes. Disable WordPress plugin file editor. Yes as well. Code editor. Now we have the code editor theme. We have a couple of styles to play with. Let's choose this one, okay? Now let's explore the theme editor. And here is the results we got. A more customizable option. Let's move to settings and customize it once again. Now let's move to plugin editor, and here is the results we got. Can you see the files organized? And we have now color and a background color to help us to understand the code with different colors, a dark background color. This is very good when we are working on codes, okay? So easy, right? And how to create a shield theme to enter our PHP codes. Go to theme editor from the left sidebar menus, hover a mouse over child theme. Now we're gonna create a new child theme. This is the action. Select the parent theme. In this case, gonna be Enzu. Analyze to see if all goes well. So, alright. Name of the new theme directory, Enzu child. Select where to save new styles, primary, separate style sheet. Up to you, okay? I recommend that you save into a separate, but it's up to you. Select parent theme style sheet handling. Do not add any parent style sheet handling. Advanced handling options. Customize child theme name, description, author. You can customize anything that you want from the child theme, okay? Just the version that's gonna be 1. Copy menus, widgets, and other customizer settings from parent theme to child theme. Create new child theme. And we have a new child theme created. And we now can customize everything in the way that we want for free. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes, plugins, templates, and tools, our Enzu WordPress theme, and our Borders WordPress plugin. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you later. All the best.